Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're doing a real simple recipe. We're going to do some easy biscuits. They're easy drop biscuits. You just drop them on the sheet and put them in the oven. 10-12 minutes to cook. They're ready. I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing we're going to need for our easy biscuits here. I got 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And what we want to do is we want to put it in the microwave for about 60 to 90 seconds to warm it up. So I'm going to throw it in the microwave here and get it started while we mix our other ingredients there. So we're going to let it be going in there. And in the bowl here, I got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of sugar. Set that over here out of the way. I got 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And I have 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to set these over here out of the way. I'm just going to take my whisk and I'm going to whisk this together. Now I did sift my flour. You know, I measured it out and then sifted. Always measure your flour before you sift it. Because sifted flour, you know, if you sift your flour first and then measure it, then you wind up with a whole lot of extra flour. So now we're going to get that whisk together good. We're going to set that whisk out of the way over here. We're going to get our heavy whipping cream. It's done in the microwave. We're going to let it go. That don't feel real good warm. I'm going to let it go about 30 seconds more. Let it go about another 30 seconds. You need to do it 60 to 90 seconds depending on your microwave. Just get it good and warm. I'm just going to take that spoon and stir that around good while it's going ahead over there so that we be sure that we got it. Now I should have took my whipping cream out of the refrigerator and let it sit. Get it room temperature before I put it in the microwave, but I didn't think about it. I forgot to take it out. So it comes straight out of the refrigerator. So that's why I say 60 to 90 seconds. But you want it to start getting warm on you. So it's a little warm. And we're just going to pour it in there. I'm not going to pour but about a cup or a cup and a half to start off with. Now mix that around a little bit. These are real easy drop biscuits is what these are. Going to be drop biscuits. I got that mixed in a little bit. Pour a little bit more there. Yeah, these aren't biscuits that we're going to take and roll by hand. These are just going to be the drop biscuits. I'm planning on having these with some SOS. I'm going to fix some SOS here in just a little bit. I'm going to do a video on it. So if y'all hadn't seen it, you know, either be watching for it or if it hadn't released, I don't know which one of them I published first, the biscuits or the SOS. But be watching for my SOS video. It's a old military recipe for hamburger gravy is what it is really. People call it SOS. But that looks like that's mixed up pretty good there. You can see we got it mixed up pretty good there. What we're going to do now, we got a 1/3 cup measuring cup here. And we got just a regular cookie sheet. And my cookie sheets are used, so you know they got oven stains on them. Now I greased my cookie sheet. Now I'm just going to grease my 1/3 cup measure real good there. And we're just going to take and just get us a scoop, and we're just going to come against the side and pull it up and then just drop them out. Trying to get that where y'all can see it better. Just scoop it up there like that, press it against the side, rake up the side, and then drop it out. That's all we're going to do with these. Like I said, you don't roll these. You don't do anything else with them. You just scoop them and drop them. It's like a no-touch deal. You don't even have to touch them. Let me set this thing over here out of the way where it'll be. That spoon won't be getting in my way. I'm just going to scoop me one here. You scoop it there. Pull it up. Drop it out. Get me a good scoop of it here. Press it against the side. Bring it up. Drop it out. You may have to resituate them, as you go along. As you can see, I ain't getting mine exactly straight there, but in theory, you should get about 10 biscuits out of this. Now, that can vary a little bit, but as most things can when you're filling with biscuits. I'm going to move them over just a little bit and trying to space them out there. I'm going to have to drop a couple down the middle there at least. Get that rake back together. Scoop it out. Drop me one right down there on that end. Drop me one right there on that end. I got a little bit there. I'm going to go ahead and get what I got here, scrape it. Ain't no sense wasting it, is there? I may get 11 out of this one. Let's see, there's 4, 8, 10 there. Yeah, I think I'm going to get 11 out of this one. Like I said, it'll make 10 or 11 biscuits. We're just going to drop that right there in the middle. That one probably ain't going to be as pretty as the rest of them, but that's okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put these in the oven, 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes and let them cook. And then whenever they get done, we'll bring you back, and we'll show you the finished product. It only takes, like I said, 10 to 12 minutes. We'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we got our biscuits out of the oven here, and we're going to break into one, and we're going to tear this one apart and look on the inside. See that steam coming out of them? They soft, moist, really good. We're going to break this off a little piece. Boy, hot. Break this off a little piece. We're going to get it a little bite. Man, give me some gravy. Give me some butter. Anything to go with them. Them are some good biscuits, and they're so easy to make, so quick to make. Hey, if you would, try this recipe. Give the old video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Appreciate all of you take the time out of your day to watch our videos. Easy drop biscuits. We'll see you on the next one.